Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this Calla lily. You can try any color you like. If you are new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials in my channel. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. Here I will demonstrate with pink yarn, and we will start with a magic ring. Now we do 10 single crochet in the magic ring. This first one is not a single crochet. From here we start to do our first one. And this is our first single crochet. Now our second single crochet. Here the third. Now you can pause here to finish 10 single crochet. Here we got 10 single crochet and we can close the magic ring. Then we do a slip stitch through the first space to close our first round. Now we chain 2 to start round 2. Round 2 we do 10 double crochet increase, which means from the current space we do 2 double crochet in every 1 stitch. You can have the tail while moving on. Now another double crochet still in the current space. So here is our first double crochet. We'll then move to the next space and do 2 double crochet. Before moving on, we can cut off the tail. Here we come to the end of round 2. Every time we come to the end, we will do a slip stitch through the first space of this round to close this round. And every time we will do some chains to start the next round. Do not count this chain as a stitch. Here we chain 1 to start round 3. In round 3, in first 3 spaces, we do 1 single crochet in each space. Then we do an increase in next space. And we will repeat this pattern twice. So here, 1 single crochet in each space and do 3. Now 1 increase. Then we do 1 single crochet and then 1 increase and repeat twice. Round 3 to round 5 are following similar patterns, so I will leave the pattern on the screen and you can pause here to finish round 3 to round 5. Now we finished round 5. Here we chain 2 to start round 6 and do not count these 2 chains as a stitch. Then we do 1 half double crochet in each space and we do 6 half double crochet. Here we got 6 half double crochet. We will then do 1 half double crochet increase in the next space, which means we do 2 half double crochet in 1 space. From here we do 3 half double crochet and then 1 half double crochet increase, and we repeat twice. So we got 3 half double crochet and we do 1 increase here. Now you can pause here to finish the rest of round 6 and still do a slip stitch to close the round. Here we finish round 6 and chain 2 to start round 7. In round 7, we firstly do 1 double crochet from the current space, and we do 7 double crochet in the first 7 spaces. Now we got 7 double crochet. From the next space, we do double crochet increase, and we repeat 16 times. Now we do our second double crochet increase. Here we got 16 double crochet increase. Then in the next space, we firstly do 1 triple crochet. Now we do 4 chains. Here we find the second space from the hook, and we will work 1 slip stitch. Then we do 2 more slip stitch in the next 2 spaces. Here we do another triple crochet, still in the current space. From the next space, we just do 1 double crochet increase in each space. And we repeat the same pattern to finish round 7. Here we can cut off the yarn and pull out the tail. So this is our flower petal. Then we change to green yarn to work our flower towels, and we'll start from the second space from the end. Here we do 2 chains to start and do not count these 2 chains as stitch. Now still in the current space, we do 1 half double crochet. Then 4 more half double crochet in the next 4 spaces. While moving on, we can add the tail. Before moving on, we can cut off the tail. Then we chain 2 and turn to the other side. Here we will skip the first space. And from the second space, we do 1 half double crochet. And we do 4 half double crochet in this row. Now we will do our flower hat. We still start with a magic ring. Then we do 6 single crochet in the circle. Now we have 6 single crochet. Here we still work a slip stitch to close this round and chain 1 to start next round. From round 2 to round 10, we just work 1 single crochet in each space. This time when we come to the end, we do not close this round, we just continue to work single crochet. In this way, we work in spiral. Here we also need to turn the inside out and then continue working. Now we find green yarn and start with a slip knot to work our leaf. Here we work 28 chains. Now we have 28 chains. We will then find the second space from the hook and work one single crochet. Then another single crochet in the next space. Then we will do one half double crochet in each one of the next two spaces. Now we do one double crochet in each space and we do 20 of them. Here we got 20 double crochet. And we have 3 spaces left. So in the first space we do one half double crochet and then one single crochet. Finally, we do 3 single crochet in the last space. And we will move to the other side. Now we come to the other side and we will repeat the same pattern on the screen. So here one half double crochet. Then 20 double crochet. While moving on, we can hide the tail. Now we come to the end of the other side. Here we will find the first space of this round and work a slip stitch to close this round. Then we chain 1 to start round 2. From round 2, we will insert this craft wire to support the leaf. In this round, we just work one single crochet in each space. Finally, we still do a slip stitch to close this round. Here we can put the yarn at the back of the craft wires, so that craft wires will be wrapped up by the yarn. Now we can cut off the yarn.